What's up, everybody? It's Big Money, New Jersey. Testing out the BlueStacks Air version of Z Shooter. Trying to open up some avenues so that my team can learn more about Season 3 before we get there. Because this game is confusing as... There's more data on it now than there used to be when I first started playing it back in state number 10. But still, it's helpful, and I thought videos would be a good way. So we're going to do a short video here. I'm going to see how it comes out. We already did one on the iPhone with no audio, so we'll figure that out too. But I want it to be quick and easy. So right now I'm in my state where I play Season 3. And let's go take a look around and let's play a little bit. Why is this toolbar showing? Get out of here, toolbar. I don't want to see you. Bye, toolbar. There we go. That's better. I wonder if I can move that toolbar now. Nope. No worries. It's all good. So, let's see how some of these things work. Into bounties. See, as your level goes up, bounties get good, right? Let's claim them up. It's going to show you who helps. It's also going to show you if somebody steals from your bounties from another state, because you can go into the other states and steal bounties now, which is kind of cool. So I didn't have enough room for this yesterday, so let's execute this right now. A little quick deploy.
Strap yourselves in, boys.
Strap in, boys. All right. See if I got anything in the radar. Nothing. I'll do a quick finish. Do a little steel. People asking about steel. Yeah, you need steel to build in the next season for sure. So let's do a little truck. Trucks work the same way. See, hide trucks of this state. This little button needs to be clicked, or else you could potentially blow up a truck from your own state, and then you're going to lose your best friend, right? So click on there. Now, I cannot see any of the trucks that are currently in my own state so that I don't attack them. So let's find somebody that we want to take some loot from. You're looking for doubles. You hit your refresh up here. Right, here's the record of what your previous's were. Who's looted you, in case you want to get back at them. I don't really care. It's a part of the game, so I don't waste time on it. So, it's ideal to kind of hit the opponent that you're fighting. So, we're up against 38 right now. So, you want to try to hit those states that you're fighting, right? Why steal from other people when you could knock down the people that you're going against? That's always the best strategy. But if you don't see it, or you don't have a lot of time, you know, you do you. You know, sometimes it takes a little longer. But there is a way you can do it another way. So, see the little search bar? Go there. Go up into where you would tag, right? And again, you go back into who you're fighting in versus duel. We're against O. So I'll go back in here, go into this little thing here, type in 38. And then click search. And it's going to take me to state 38. So you can see right here, it tells me what state I'm in. So now I can look around, right? I can look around and see what kind of trucks we got. Right? What do they got going on over here? Anybody over here I can loot from? See, here's the bounties too, right? Here's an example where you can loot from other states. Plunder it. Then go in and click on it again. Click on this icon. Send it to your team. Now your team and your state can come and plunder it if they want, right? Again, it's a good way to weaken the opponent. So I'm going to take all mine. I like to take the orange books. So I try not to take anything that doesn't have an orange book. There you go, orange book, plunder. Woo, nice. Go back, click on it again, click on the share, click on your alliance, click on your share. Yeah. Shoot gases. Oh, there's one. We got 9. We'll plunder that. And I'll just repeat until I take the allotted. I think it's 5. Believe me, your team's going to appreciate you sharing. It saves them the time for having to go do what you're doing and searching, right? They can quick pop on it and they can hit it if it's still there, right? I think I'm at my limit. Yeah, I'm at my limit, but I'm going to share this one anyway. Bam. So now I've just shared 6 orange books that my team can go and plunder. And if you want to see it, right, go back to your state, go into where it says Alliance, and there's all my plundering, right, and sharing. I just send them a message. ENJOY, orange books. TES, courtesy of 38. Alright, so let's go back. I like to mess around. So, we're going to go back to 38. My original goal was to do trucks. So you just scroll around. I usually play on my phone, but like here, you can see the trucks going to and from cities. So if you really want to just be specific and you don't really care if it's orange or purple or green, like here's an orange one. Click on it. I don't want to hit that one, but it's there, right? And I know where it's coming from. It's coming from this direction. So if they try to space it out, oh, somebody already hit that one. There's another one. All right, let's see. Nothing unpleasant. I'm gonna plunder it if I have enough power. Ooh. Got another faction bonus? Okay. Oh, they're only 36,000? Alright.
Time for a come your hug. Who's the boss now?
I'm the boss. Right. See if I can get that orange frag. Frag.
Wanna get dice?
Back up, she says. I like Ollie. She's a trip. So that's like kind of how you can go into the other state and raid if you want. And you can kind of look around. You can do a little recon if you want. Search around, see potentially who you might want to go after, who you may not want to go after, right? There's some powerful players in this game, so, you know, it's a good strategy. I'm going to go back to my state. I'm going to finish the trucks and see if I can quick find some 38s in here. There's a 38, but he ain't carrying nothing. There's a 38. Let's see if I can get his frag. Oh, get him before he goes in the city. Oop. Yeah, no problem.
Unless you wanna get dice.
Yeah. That sucks. Alright, so see this here? This right here is an example of the season 3 Frozen. It's gonna make me go back. Let me go back to my state. Here's your season 3. Your Frozen Rescue. Right? We're not in it right now. They're in it. But that's where you can go in and collect your cores and your diamonds, orange books, all kinds of stuff. So it's pretty good. You get 10 looks at it. Definitely do it on every time it does, because when you collect 10 from, let's say the elk, it gives you 300 badges every time. That's 3,000 badges just for collecting. The woolly mammoth, the elephant, gives you 2 of the special frags for the special weapons for the orange heroes. So you can get, 20 of them, which is, if it's at a 10 level, it gives you, 2 pieces of that 5-piece pie. So pretty cool. So let's finish collecting the trucks. You know what? I'm gonna have to loot this guy. 2 is hard to pass up. 3 is, yeah, I'm gonna have to pass him up. He's got way more power than I do. But you can also send them to your, here's an example here. You can do the same thing. If you click on this, you can send it to the Alliance chat if you want your people to go after it. If you can't, or if you've already used up all of your attacks, right? So, for the sake of this video, let's find a couple we can hit, and then we'll end it, and we'll see how it came out. He's getting ready to go into the city. Not today.
Unless you wanna get dice. Unless you wanna get dice.
Was that my 3rd or my 4th one? I think that was my 3rd one today. See if we can find a double. When you find a triple, it's even better. I've only seen a quadruple once. I'll go for diamonds too. When my diamonds are low, I'll look for high quality diamonds. Diamonds are hard to come by in this game unless you're buying packs. go back to that one because I could get. Oh, okay. There you go. Let's see if I shows. Oh, boo! I used them all up. My bad. Let's collect my trucks. I got 3 on fire. Sometimes they'll just hit you to hit you. I don't know what I was even remember. I set these last night. There isn't even anything in there. So he plundered it for what? For nonsense. Alright, you didn't get the orange frag. How about that? Sorry, pal. This didn't have anything either. I don't know what the hell they're attacking it for. Here's where you reset with your dice. Give it a little defense.
Yes, sir.
Keep the factions together. That's not a bad thing.
Yes, sir.
I gotta build up my Wings of Dawn. I hate doing this, but I will. This is my weakest faction right here.
Yes, sir.
But maybe I'll get lucky and they won't get it. They'll get at least 1. That's got diamonds. I'm good with that. And here's a mix mosh. I go boom, boom. I almost have another. So 8, 20. What do I do if I put together 18? 29, 51. 34. Yeah, we'll stick with that.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so all 4 of my trucks are now loaded, ready to rock and roll. Let me get out of this video. Let's see if I can get this. They said little black box, because that's where it says I stop it. This is where I'm not crazy about quick time. Is this it?